Welcome back to Middle-earth Musings. Today we explore the 1980 animated film The Return of the King, produced by Rankin, its commercial flop, and how this setback ultimately helped pave the way for Peter Jackson's live-action Lord of the Rings movies.
Rankin, known for their holiday specials and animated adaptations, took on the challenge of bringing the final volume of Tolkien's trilogy to the screen. Their version of The Return of the King was a made-for-television movie that aired in 1980.
Despite its charming animation and memorable songs, the film was criticized for its simplified plot and lack of the depth and gravitas found in Tolkien's original work. It was aimed largely at a younger audience, which limited its appeal to hardcore fans.
Commercially, the film did not perform well, failing to capture a broad audience or generate significant enthusiasm. This disappointment highlighted the difficulties of adapting such a complex and beloved story into animation.
However, the flop underscored the need for a more serious and faithful adaptation. It helped signal to studios and filmmakers that Tolkien's world required a grander vision and more sophisticated approach.
This realization contributed to the eventual greenlighting of Peter Jackson's live-action trilogy, which embraced the epic scale, emotional depth, and intricate storytelling that Tolkien's work deserved.
While the Rankin Return of the King may not have succeeded commercially, its legacy lies in its role as a stepping stone, a reminder of the challenges and the promise of adapting Middle-earth to the screen.
Thank you for joining us on this episode of Middle-earth Musings. We look forward to sharing more tales from Tolkien's world with you soon.
Until then, may your journeys be filled with wonder and discovery.
Farewell, and happy exploring.
Goodbye.